Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Beauties and today we're going to be trying out these two bronzers that I have been wanting to try out. Bronzer is my jam. I love bronzer. It's one of my favorite makeup products. So I'm so excited, as you can tell. Are you ready? I'm so ready. So we're going to start with the color Amber. This one right here. I am excited to try this one because it has red tones in it. And whenever I do makeup, I know if it has red in it that it's going to work for me. So I'm just swatching that right here. This is the color. And we're just going to take this brush. I have two separate brushes and I'm just going to go ahead and try that out. So here we go. Y'all, makeup makes me so happy. Makeup is just my thing. Ooh, ooh. That's pretty. Okay, guys, this is very pigmented, so you do not need a lot. And I'm just going to use Amber on this side of my face because we're going to do a side by side and you guys are going to tell me. But I'm loving this. We're not going to do too much, but this is what the side with Amber looks like. What do you think? I love it. I love it. It looks sun-kissed. It looks not too much, just right. Just a pretty bronzy. I like it. Okay, let's move to the next side. On this side of my face, we're going to go in with the color Sunkissed. Hopefully, this video is going to help you if you're in the store and you just look up this video real quick. I'm trying to let you guys know really fast what these colors look like. We're going to put that right beside. This is a more cool toned brown. This one right here. You see that? This one has more of the red that I like a lot. This one is more cool. So I'm going to take this brush right here and we're just going to go ahead and put it on. Guys, you can tell by my silence that I know this is not the one for me because it is like my exact skin color. So if you are my complexion, you do not want to get sun-kissed. You want to lean towards amber and they have some darker complexion colors. But this color right here is not even showing. And it kind of looks on my complexion a little grayish. So I know that's not the one. But if you are lighter than me and you are more of a neutral brown, bronze colored type of girl, this might work for you because I do like the consistency and how creamy it is, and the color you see is beautiful. So I know, we know that amber is the color, and I know that I'm taking Sunkissed back because it's just not my color. You can't see it. Okay, but before you leave, I do want to tell you what they say about these bronzers. They're called bronzed cream bronzers, and they're crafted with shimmering pearls and glide smoothly on skin, creating a seamless and radiant finish that mimics the warm embrace of the sun. I'm getting that. I'm getting the warm embrace. The pearls delicately reflect light, unveiling a mesmerizing luminosity. So another thing about this bronzer is there is shimmer in it. So if you're not a shimmer person, I do want you to know that there is shimmer in it, and that when the sun is on your face, you're going to see some glitter particles. It might look different when you're inside. You don't really see the shimmer. I see it a little bit, but when you go outside, you are going to see glitter particles. So I just wanted to say that because I know some people like bronzers with shimmer and some people like bronzers without shimmer. This is hilarious because on this video, I was going to let you guys tell me which side, but I kind of already know what side you guys are going to say. I know. So yeah, I might switch this one to a darker one. They had another one after amber that I think I could use as well. So we'll try that one out. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited for what God is doing, and he's just wonderful. and he's brought you to my channel, and I'm so excited for that. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today, tonight, whatever time you're watching this video. I love you, Jesus loves you, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.